everyone, welcome back to Tiny Imaginations. Today I will be showing you how to make this mini star charm for Pakistan's Independence Day using foam clay. So let's get started. Start pinching 5 sides of your star. I kept pinching and flattening until I got what I wanted. Now you want to make 2 stars because we need a white star and a green star. Then take your blade and cut them from the center. You can blend down the edges if you want to. Now take half of your white star and then take half of your green star and also apply glue to attach them both. Then I shaped my star until I was happy with the shape. I used my needle tool to blend down the edges. If you get these kind of holes on your star, you can add a tiny amount of water like I'm using. I just use 1 drop or 2 drops. After applying your water, you can just smooth out the sides and they will be as good as ever. Now use one of your tools to create indents for the eyes. Now take some black clay and roll 2 small balls of black clay and put them in the indents. Take the black clay and draw out a thin snake and then use your fingers to convert the snake into a Kawaii smile. Attach this tiny mouth in between the eyes. Now attach 2 balls of pink clay beside the eyes for the cheeks. Now, if you want to turn this into a charm, you need to add an eye pin. And finally, your mini Independence Day star charm is ready! If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.